Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, hello. My name is Brittany and my channel name is pronounced Bretterstein. Today's video is going to be one of my favorite ones of the month to film because it's like Christmas when this day comes because I get gifts and it feels like I didn't spend money on them, which is always nice. I did spend money on them. It's things I bought myself, but it feels like Christmas because it's all new items and I'm very excited. So let me just I'll tell you what kind of video it is. Wait, what? Today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of July. We're in July. We're 7 months into this year. Have you accomplished what you wanted to accomplish this year? Anyways, that's what this video is going to be. I'm going to be unboxing my Boxycharm, and that's why I have no makeup on my face, because we're going to be doing it try-on style. And anything in this box we're going to use on my face, then I'll fill in the blanks with products I own on things that are not in the box. So that's what this is going to be. If you like this idea or this type of video or anything about this at any point while you're watching it, make sure to give it a like if you like, because I would like to know that you like what I'm putting out there. Are you picking up what I'm putting down? Are you catching what I'm throwing? Are you feeling what I'm spitting? And of course, before we get started, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, become part of the Brat Pack. Put out new videos here every week, and we do Boxycharm unboxings every month, usually earlier than this. I got my box late this month, but if you want to be part of this little pack of brats, make sure to smash that subscribe button. And now I think we should start talking about it and start being about it. Do you want to do that? Let's do that. Let's do that right now. If you would like to see what I got in this month's Boxycharm and watch me put it on my face and demo all the products for you, just keep on watching. Okay, let's get into this box right now. Alright, so the card in this box tells us the theme and also the prices, and the theme this month is Al Naturale. Al Naturale. All natural? All natural. Summer, natural, nature, pretty. It's got the prices on the back, which I'm not going to look at right now because I want to be surprised. But at the end, I'll add it all up and let you know. My cat's vomiting. My cat's vomiting. Oh, my poor dude has been throwing up all morning. I don't know what's wrong with him. Anyways, at the end, I will do the math and let you know what it retails for, but what Boxycharm is, in case you didn't know, because I didn't say it in the intro, it's a $21 a month beauty subscription service where each month they take $21 from your account and they send you this little box with all these products to have. It's a great subscription service considering it's usually worth over $100, like what's in the box. Blah, blah, blah. Anyways, I'm sure you know what it is. That's why you're here. You want to see spoilers, so let's get into it. Alright, so the first item we have here retails for $30, and it is a brush set from Luxie, which we have gotten brushes from Luxie several times in the past from Boxycharm, and I love Luxie brushes. I can't pronounce the name of the brushes, but it looks like it's like an eco-friendly type of brush. It's in this packaging. It asks you to please recycle the packaging when you're done, and it's a 3-piece brush set. So let's go ahead and see what these bad boys look like. Oh, shit. Ooh, I like these a lot, man. I love getting brushes. I've said it 100 times. I say it every time I get brushes. I don't like to buy them. I like to get them in subscription services because I would never go out and buy these, but these are so nice. They're like the traditional pink Luxie brushes, but they have like a wood grain. They're like wooden instead of plastic, which obviously I'm here for, you know, save the planet one small change at a time. And it looks like you get like a foundation brush, which I wouldn't use this for foundation. I would use this for like face masks and stuff. A little detail eye brush, and then this crease brush, which looks very promising to me actually. I was just thinking that I need to get a brush shaped like this. It's a little bit bigger, and I'm going to use this today for sure, for sure. And this retails for $30, which right there, that's more than the box. So the box has paid for itself, and it does every time. Okay, the next thing in the box is from the brand Elemis. This mask retails for $35, and it is their Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. That just makes me want to say Vita Vita Vegemin. Elemis Superfood Vital Vita Vegemin Mask. That's what it is. So this mask is supposed to nourish and brighten and help you with your moisture. So you know what? Let me strap back my hair, strap back, pull back, put back, push back my hair, and we'll go ahead and put this on my face. Let's see, how long do we have to leave it on for? Oh, 10 minutes. Let's do it. Bringing out the trusty headband. You've been here before. You know her. If you haven't, meet the headband. She's always here, usually here. The fact that my hair was down without it is amazing, because my hair usually looks like hot, dirty garbage, but it's actually clean today. So I'm going to a barbecue at my friend's house, so I cleaned my hair. Can you even believe it? I can't. I cannot. I'm gonna put the mask on with this brush. See how that worked out? It worked out perfectly. So let's go ahead and do it. It's got the little plastic on it. Wait, Elemis is cruelty-free, right? Shit. How funny would it be if it wasn't? Let me check that real quick, because I'm not going to open it if it is not cruelty-free, because if you are new here, this is a cruelty-free channel. So let me check if this is cruelty-free first. Okay, sick. I just checked online and Elemis is cruelty-free, so let's continue. I was about to like go and pull out another mask just so that I didn't leave you guys hanging, but we're in luck. It's cruelty free. So let's take the plastic off now and put it on my face. Ooh, it smells good. It smells very like spa-like, tea tree, that kind of smell, you know? Not like fresh or citrusy, but like herbal. Herbal. That's a good way to describe it. It smells the way my coworker's oil diffuser smells. All right, I'm going to brush the cat hair off, and then I'm going to squeeze a little bit of this mask on this brush. And we're going to put it on the face. This is the perfect time for me to have a mask too, because my skin's been kind of like, I don't know, I haven't had my usual skincare, like my Drunk Elephant that I normally use. I've been out and like not feeling like spending that kind of money, and I'm noticing a difference in my skin, so I'm gonna definitely have to restock up on my favorites, because yeah, I'm noticing a difference without them, so this is a good time to get a mask to try to brighten things out and smooth them out. So now that we have this on, I will be back in 10 minutes after I rinse it off to let you know how my skin feels. Wait, missed a spot. So, see y'all in 10 minutes. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. I just wanted to quickly show you what the dry down looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it off now, and then we will see how my skin feels and then get into the rest of the products in the box. I just wanna show you the dry down, which looks like this, a little nasty. Okay, let me go ahead and rinse it off. One second. Okay guys, mask is off. That thing was hard to remove. Oh my goodness, it was like really thick. It does say on the packaging to remove it with a towel, but I never do that. Anytime anything says it, I'm like, okay bro, sure. And then I go to the sink and I rinse it off. This one needed a towel. I could not get it off, and I had to call my husband. I'm like, could you bring me a washcloth? Because it was like really thick and really like on there, but my face feels really soft. Yeah, it feels pretty good. Looks pretty good. Into it, like the mask. Did I tell you what it retails? I don't know. What does it retail? Wait. That mask retails for $35. So now, let's move on. Now that we are sufficiently masked. Okay, we got some good stuff in here. Okay, so the next item is from Butter London, and it is their Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette that retails for $32. Goodness gracious, we're back on the eye palettes again. Eye palettes again. Eye palettes again. Remember last year, it was like all eye palettes? So this is the color story right here. These are the only two mattes, which is a little bit concerning. But I'm just going to do like a quick look for you just to show you how they blend. I'm probably, yeah, just something real quick. So I'm going to go in with the shade Temptress real quick and put that through the crease. There's nothing to blend it out with, so I'm going to have to be very careful. Let's check her out. I'm not even going to do like eye primer or anything. We're just going to go real quick with this. And I'm using that crease brush that we got. Ooh, that's a dark brown, isn't it? Oof. So that color blended out pretty nicely. Look at that. Even without like a transition shade, it's still like, looks pretty good actually, surprisingly enough. It's a pretty brown. I like it a lot. Let's try one of the shimmers on the lid real quick. I'm gonna look all types of messed up by the time this is over. I'm gonna go in with the shade Queen right here. It's like a rosy pink. Not the shade I would ever normally go with, but ooh, that's pretty. It's actually a really pretty shimmer. Ooh. Nice, that's cute. That's really pretty. And for the heck of it, let's take a little bit of Enchantress and pop that right in the center of that. Ooh, it's pretty. It's just cute. Okay, so that's just a little something to show you how it applies. I look freaking insane right now, but I mean, it applies really well. I don't want to do like a whole look with it right now. If you want a video strictly on this palette, tell me and I'll do it. I just wanted to kind of show you how it blends, and like they blend out really nicely. I just look a little insane, so $32, not a bad price for that palette. Well, I mean, actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are only 6 shades. For $32, that is actually sort of high. I didn't really think about it, but now I'm thinking about it. I'm like, is that really worth it? I don't know. I mean, the brown is nice. Let's swatch them all real quick. I mean, the quality's there. It's just a matter if this color story speaks to you, and you think $32 is worth it, then get at it. I think it's pretty. I might use it today, actually, for my party. Not like this because I look insane, but you know, I might. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. So the next item in the box, and one of the last two, is this eyeliner right here. This is from the brand. It's from the brand Appeal, and it's their gel liner that retails for $21. That's freaking crazy. $21 for an eyeliner. This is the price of your box, guys. Eyeliner is so expensive. I don't really understand it. All right, so let me go ahead and pop this in the waterline. Does it have the shade name on it? Deep Taupe. Let's see what it looks like and see if it's creamy and all that real quick. So put it in the waterline, and we'll just, oh yeah, that goes on easy, nicely. Oh yeah, that's a nice color too. It goes well with this crazy eyeshadow I have on too. It's just like a nice color, man. I'm into that. $21 is high for an eyeliner, but I mean, is it? It's kind of standard. Makeup's so expensive, guys. Oh my god, look at myself. Wait till I put on the last product. It's really gonna seal the crazy in. Okay, and the last product I'm really excited for, except for I'm gonna look insane, it's a liquid lipstick from Ofra. I love Ofra liquid lipsticks. So this retails for $20, and it is the shade Santorini. So let's go ahead and pop her on the lips and solidify this craziness. Yeah. Oh my goodness, that's a pretty color. Is that shimmery? I think it's shimmery. Okay guys, so this is the shade Santorini. It's obviously pretty, but I don't know how I feel about like a metallic sort of lip. I've never been a big fan of it. It's like really cool looking because the metallic in it kind of gives it like this purpley blue shift, but I don't know if I'm that into it. I gotta be honest, this one's not my favorite. And now I look like a fucking goblin. Like, I gotta go. Alright guys, that was everything we got in the box this month. I did the math and it retails for just over $130 and you pay $21. So if you want to get a beautiful look like this, make sure to click the link down below and sign up for Boxycharm. Not an affiliate or anything like that, but I mean, why would you not want to look like this? I feel like this is something that somebody would do to their makeup in the 90s. Like, no brows, no mascara, just this weird eye look and this pink metallic lip. Like, hey daddy. My energy is all over the place. Let's just wrap this up. If you liked it at any point while you're watching it, make sure to give it a like. Maybe we don't judge it on this makeup look, I promise. I'm usually cuter. For example, if you click on one of these links over here, it'll take you to videos where I look much cuter than I look right now, and if you click on my face right here, it'll take you to where you can subscribe to my channel so we can hang out all the time. I hope you do it, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you next time, and don't hold this look against me. I know I'm crazy looking. Okay.